Good morning, fourth graders. Today you will be starting your final draft of paragraphs 1 and 2. What you will need for today is you will need the white pieces of paper that are stapled together. You will need your purple copy that I gave you. This copy, I took your paragraph 1 and your paragraph 2 and I copied them onto one sheet. And then you will also need my example to kind of help and guide you along. What we are going to do today is we are going to take paragraph 1 and write that first. And we are going to start right there. We will indent. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to write your very first word. Just your first word, not the first sentence, just your first word right there, and make sure it is indented. So if you look at mine, it is indented right there. And I want you to pause the video at this time and make sure your first word of your first paragraph is indented. You know it's the first paragraph if you look down here. If it says 1, that's your first paragraph. If it happens to say 2, that's your second paragraph. We want to start with our first one. So find the side that says 1 and write your first word. Now that you have that done, you are going to continue writing your first paragraph. And when you come to an edit that I made, it might be spelling, it might be the fact that I took an entire word out or I capitalized something. Make sure that you are making those edits. If you come to something and you're a little bit unsure of what that edit is, make sure you raise your hand and ask, and I will clarify what needs to be done. When you get done writing your entire first paragraph on your white sheet of paper using your best fourth grade handwriting, you are going to flip your sheet over and you are going to go to paragraph 2. Now, paragraph 2, we oftentimes forget to indent paragraph 2. So I ended paragraph 1 here. Regardless of where you end, you go to the next line. Do not skip lines. Go to the very next line and start your second paragraph. Make sure you indent that one as well. Chances are either after the first paragraph or when you get to the second, you will run out of space on your first sheet. You need to use the second sheet to write. Do not use the back side of the first sheet. Come over here and continue your writing. I do not want your name on this copy. Just write your paragraph, so nowhere on your final copy should it say your name. When you are done, you need to bring this copy up to myself and I will put it in your folder. And this we will keep until we have your third paragraph done, and we will add that on later. You need to have both paragraph 1 and 2 written on your final draft in order to go out for recess today. If you have any questions, make sure you ask, and I will be ready to help you.